Hi, I'm Catalina, I'm from ISEC Pitești and I want to become a trainer, of course. Who doesn't want to become a trainer? About my experience, I've been an OC in summer school. It's a project in ISEC Pitești, an OCVP event in Argeș în Verde, because we all want to go green, and because I like to go in summer at the seaside, and because I want to become a trainer so much, because it defines me and it shows my personality, because I want to talk a lot and because ISEC Pitești needs a lot of trainers to have this develop they need in ISEC Romania. And so what should I say about me? I'm a communicative person. I always like to make pictures and have fun with my friends. So pick me as a trainer because I deserve, because I'm unique as everybody else, and because the new members always know how to mess the other people things. Okay, thank you. Bye. See you there.